Hello again, Rebecca here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are continuing using the Summer Vibes workshop kit from Close to My Heart. This is a 12 by 12 layout. It is page 2 of project 2. And we are going to get started. It called for a lot of pictures, and I settled on these pictures of my fiance and his daughter digging out one of the sticker bushes in my front yard. We have recently now completed that. It was the entire month of June. We did the entire yard as landscaping. Actually, I'm sorry, that 3/4. We still have one more fourth of the house to complete. This is white daisy cardstock that I'm putting over that beautiful background paper there that looks 3D. I assure you it is not, but it definitely does, doesn't it? So it called for a lot of pictures. I go through and I trim them up and decide which ones they're going to do. I'm going to put them on the black photo mats that come in the kit. I am sitting outside right now, so it is the 4th of July. If you guys hear boobs in the background, I do apologize. It is not gunshots. It is firecrackers. Happy birthday, America. All right, so we've got all the pictures. Now I'm going to get them stuck down on the photo mats. Now this right here called for one 4x6 photo. I had more photos than I wanted to use, so I did 2 4x3 photos. And I'm going to go ahead and get those on there. I am going to use my T-square roller just to make sure that they're straight and get them all adhered down to the page. The next thing that it calls for is a die cut sheet that everything was separate and you had to glue them together. That right there, I am not going to make you watch. Through the magic of editing, they're all assembled. Yay, go me. So I'm going to go ahead and somewhat try to figure out, they had this really beautiful cluster going up the side of the page right there. I'm trying my best to make it look the same. Let's be honest, it's not. That is crooked, and it is to be crooked. It messed with me too, but it kind of gives it a little bit of oomph. Now, on those flowers, on most of this, I only adhered a little bit down. So there was, lots and lots of dimension added just by the fact that it is not completely flat to the page. Most of the leaves and the outside edges are sticking up. There are also some acrylic shapes that we have to stick in there, some little smaller die cut flowers. I do use my liquid adhesive for this because I realized real quick that the HEG was going to not be fun to do those. This little beach ball right here, it stuck to my finger and I pulled it off and had to put it back on. That acrylic flower, it is on some of the dimensional ones, so I had to do it a couple of times. The title for this is Summer Vibes, super cute, love and life. It's not the title, it's just what I say. I'm going to go ahead and it called to add these little bitty bubbles. I guess it's supposed to be bubbles from the ocean. I went ahead and popped them all up on foam tape. I was going to stick that flower down, and then I thought, let's pop this up on foam tape as well, because we need some dimension now, because everything I adhered sort of flat. So I'm going to go ahead and try to get some dimension in there. I go ahead and put all these stars down. They are not hollowed. The subtle, they have some kind of like enamel on them just to get a little bit of a gloss on them. I'm going to go ahead and all these leaves, I believe I go ahead and pop these up as well on some sort of fun foam and just get them stuck in there. Now, personally, had I been not following a sketch, I would have put the green leaves at the bottom underneath and layered everything on top of those. I would have let the flowers last, but that is not how it looks on the picture, and I was really trying to do my best to stick with the sketch. I'm going to go ahead and add these